A new wave of worlds is about to break. Are you ready to build them? 2 new themes and 2 epic scenes. From lush jungles bursting with life and overgrown, to skull-covered wastelands where ash and bones remain. All the right elements perfectly combined. Plus an exclusive booklet featuring a step-by-step guide on how to create a scene and a video to help you along the way. Everything you need, all in one box. Set the stage for your miniatures. Create the world they fight in.